let me show you a very long and difficult English word. Floccinaucinihilipilification. Yes, this is a real English word. It means the act of thinking something is unimportant. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can anyone spell such a big word? Well, in today's lesson, I will show you a simple magic trick to learn how to spell long and difficult English words just like this one. And that's not all at the end of this video. I will also share some amazing free apps you can use to practice spelling like a fun game. So stay with me till the end, because today we're going to make spelling easy, fun, and powerful. Spelling is the way we write the letters of a word in the correct order. If you make a small mistake in spelling, the meaning can change completely. For example, dessert and dessert. One is a hot, dry place, and the other is a sweet dish. So, spelling really matters if you want to write clearly and correctly. Many English learners feel spelling is very hard. They forget the order of letters, or they guess the spelling just by sound. This can be confusing because English is not always spelled the way it sounds. But don't worry, you can fix this by using some simple methods. Tip number 1. Read more English every day. One of the best ways to improve your spelling is by reading more English regularly. When you read books, articles, or even short stories, your eyes see the correct spelling of words again and again. This repeated exposure helps your brain remember the correct form without much effort. Over time, you begin to recognize words easily and spell them correctly without even thinking. Reading also helps you understand how words are used in sentences. So, try to read something in English every day. Even just 10 minutes can make a big difference in your spelling skills. Tip number 2. Say the word slowly and break it into parts. When a word looks too long or difficult, don't panic. Just break it into smaller parts or syllables and say each part slowly. Let's go back to our big word, floccinaucinihilipilification. Looks scary, right? But if you break it like this, floccinaucinihilipilification, it becomes easier to pronounce and spell. This method works for other long words too. For example, information, celebration, unbelievable. Say each part clearly. Write each part separately. Then write the whole word. Practice this magic trick every day, and long words won't scare you again. Tip number 3. Learn the common spelling mistakes. Many English learners, and even native speakers, often spell some words incorrectly. These mistakes happen because some words sound different than they look, or the letters are in a confusing order. Here are more common mistakes. Tomorrow. Friend, definitely. Separate. Receive, because writing. To avoid these mistakes, make a list of tricky words. Write them in your notebook or create flashcards. Read, write, and say them often to remember the correct spelling. Repetition is the key. Tip number 4. Practice spelling with fun apps and games. If you feel bored while learning spellings, don't worry now, you can learn while playing. There are many free apps that make spelling fun and exciting. These apps give you spelling games, puzzles, and quizzes to test your memory and improve your skills. Some popular apps include Word Trip, a fun word game, Wordscapes, make words from letters and build your vocabulary. These games help you learn spellings in a fun and stress-free way. Play for just 10 minutes a day and watch your spelling improve fast. Learning to spell correctly takes time, but if you practice just 15 minutes a day, you will improve faster than you think. Start with small words, then move to bigger ones. Thank you for watching the English class. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on spelling. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, what's the hardest English word you ever tried to spell?